As snowmobile season approaches, the question always comes up, does the oil work well in the cold? And we've been hearing from the manufacturers of all the major snowmobiles that the oil needs to perform well in the cold. Now, even though Interceptor has always done well, we felt that we needed to prove it. So we took Interceptor to the AMSOIL lab, we put it in a freezer, we took the temperature down to minus 40 F, and we put Interceptor in a pour test against each one of the major competitors. Our first candidate was the Ski-Doo XPS synthetic product. As you can see here, when we pour it, the AMSOIL starts to come out a little bit before the Ski-Doo product. Next up was the Arctic C-Tech 2 product. Now, Arctic has been talking a lot about cold temperature performance. Their engine design dictates that the oil move quickly when you start the snowmobile. So as you can see here, the AMSOIL Interceptor pours very well when put up against the Arctic C-Tech 2 product. Last up was the Polaris oil. This is the Polaris VES2. This is Polaris's synthetic recommendation. Again, it was in the freezer at minus 40 F, the same amount of time that the AMSOIL Interceptor was in there. You can see we start the pour, and the AMSOIL outperforms the Polaris oil by quite a lot here. What that means is when you go to start your snowmobile in some very, very cold temperatures, the AMSOIL product will get to the critical parts of the engine faster. So as you can see, AMSOIL Interceptor holds up pretty well against the OEM's products. What does that mean? It means that you should have the utmost confidence when you pour Interceptor into your snowmobile. It also means less wear, better performance, and more fun on the trail for you.